Good morning, everybody. This is your favorite host, Kyle Husky, and this here is the 2025 model train exhibit here at the Terry Depot. I saw the first train went through when I first got here, and just a few seconds ago, a northbound coal train, I didn't even get it in time. I hear that diesel engine roar. I'm like, man, that never happens to me, you know? Well, it's okay. I get to see more trains still. Ooh, excuse that vehicle back there. All right, let's see what we got going on this year. All right, here we are in front of the depot. I know we have the engine on the other side of the corner. Let's go inside and see what we got this year running. All right, here's the inside. Got a beautiful Christmas tree. It's always pretty. Get to the Christmas spirit. Here we got Polar Express this year. And here's Miss Hester. Here's my buddy David. And here's the HO layout we got. John's layout, of course. And there's Don's layout. And there's Don right there. And there's Don right here. And here's David's layout. Which is good. Oh, my dad's here.
Can I help you?
Let's check out the other rooms we got. And we got the kitchen. And here's Ryan's layout. And here's Marvin Elliott's layout. I don't know if the door is unlocked or not for me to go see the engine, but we can go to the back porch anyway. Anyway, here's Marvin Elliott's layout, which he already passed away years back, and why should you miss my bud? I knew him one time. Anyway, here's the steam engine we got back there. It seems about to rust away, but still looks good though, to his age. Alright, let's go in the back porch and we can end the video there. So far, 2 trains went through. I got here this morning, a northbound grain, and then a few minutes ago, a northbound coal went through. I didn't video it in time, but like I said, it happens. I didn't get it in time. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm your favorite host, Kyle Husky. Y'all enjoy the show and have a good day.